Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson for pre-kindergarten. We will continue with the letters, and today we'll start with letter F. So F. Fish. See the fish. You can see the fish on many types of fish: the purple, the orange, the blue and yellow one, and that kind of fish. Now to the big and little section. Now draw a line to make a match. See the capital F. So we will move the arrow to the F in the first circle. See the lowercase f. In this case, we'll draw an arrow to the F in the second circle. Now to the I can write. Trace and write the letters. And of course, the direction for writing the letter is shown in the first trace. So F. Now to the lowercase f. So F. Now to the find it section. Circle the letters that are the same as the first letter in each row. The first row we have a lowercase f, so we'll have to circle the first and the third circles. In the second row we have the capital F, so in this case we'll have to circle the second and the third circles. And for the last row we have a lowercase a, so we have to circle the second and the fourth circles. Now trace the fish bowl. Draw an orange fish in the bowl. So we trace the fish bowl, but we colored the whole bowl as an orange one. Of course, we should have drawn a fish, and the fish should have been orange, and the rest is the water with the blue color. Now to the test your skills section. Fill in the circle. 1. Find the capital letter. So in this case we'll have to fill in the first circle. 2. Find the lowercase letter. And so in this case we'll have to color the first circle. 3. Find the fish. We have two pictures. The one on the left is for a fish and the one on the right is for a leg. So in this case we will have to color the circle on the left. Now give the spelling test and say: 1. Write a capital F in the box. So we have the first box, number 1, and we have the capital F inside it. 2. Write a lowercase f in the box. So we have a second box and the lowercase f is drawn inside it. Now to the next letter, G. Gorilla. See the gorilla. Now to the big and little section. Draw a line to make a match. See the capital G. So in this case we'll have to draw an arrow to the first circle that contains a capital G. See the lowercase g. In this case we will have to draw an arrow to the second circle which contains a lowercase g. Now to the I can write section. Trace and write the letters G, 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 and the instructions for writing the G is indicated on the first trace. Now to the lowercase g, 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 G. Now to the find it section. Circle the letters that are the same as the first letter in each row. In the first row we have a lowercase g, so we have to circle the first and the fourth circles. In the second row we have a capital G, so we have to circle the first and the third circles. And for the third row we have a lowercase d, so we have to circle the second and the third circles. Trace the gorilla. Color him brown. And of course here is the gorilla with the brown color. Now to the test your skills section. Fill in the circle. 1. Find the capital letter. We have the capital letter, the first one, so we have to fill in the first circle. 2. Find the lowercase letter. We have the lowercase letter in the, of course, the first one also, so we have to fill in the first circle. 3. Find the gorilla. We go to pictures. The first one on the left, or the one on the left, is for a goat, and the one on the right is for a gorilla, so we'll have to fill the one on the right. Give the spelling test. Say 1. Write a capital G in the box. 2. Write a lowercase g in the box. So the first box contains the capital G and the second one contains the lowercase g. Now to the next letter. H, H. Hen, hen. See the hen. Now to the big and little section. Draw a line to make a match. See the capital H. So the capital H is in the first circle, so we'll have to draw a line to the first circle. See the lowercase h. The lowercase h is in the second circle, so we'll have to draw an arrow going to or moving to the second circle. Now to the I can write section. Trace and write the letters we have the capital H. So H, H, H. Now to the lowercase h. So H, H, H. Now to the find it section. Circle the letters that are the same as the first letter in each row. The first row contains a capital H, so you'll have to circle the second and the fourth circles, the letters. The second row contains a lowercase h, so you'll have to circle the second and the third circles. The third row contains a lowercase g, so you'll have to circle the second and the fourth circles. Finish drawing the hen. Make both sides the same. So I have drawn it for you, and here is a complete picture of the hen's head. So here it is with all the beautiful colors. Now to the test your skills section. Fill in the circle. 1. Find the capital letter. The capital letter is the first one, so we have to fill in the first circle. 2. Find the lowercase letter. In this case, the lowercase letter is the first letter, so we also have to fill in the first circle. 3. Find the hen. We go to pictures. The one on the left is for a hen and the one on the right is for a hand, so we have to fill the circle on the left. Now to give the spelling test. Say 1. Write a capital H in the box. 2. Write a lowercase h in the box. So here are 1 the capital H and 2 the lowercase h drawn in the box. Now to the next letter, which is I. 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 Ice cream. Ice cream. See the ice cream. Now to the big and little sections. Draw a line to make a match. See the capital I. So we'll have to draw a letter from the I to the first circle, which contains a capital I. Now see the lowercase I. We'll have to draw an arrow, but this time to the second circle, which contains a lowercase I. Now to the I can write section. Trace and write the letters. I. 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 Now to the lowercase I. 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 Now to the find it section. Circle the letters that are the same as the first letter in each row. The first row contains a capital I, so we will have to circle the first and the fourth letters. The second row has lowercase I, so we'll have to circle the second and the third letters. The third row has a capital H, so we'll have to circle the first and the third letters. Now, finish drawing the ice cream cone. Color it. And here it is with its beautiful color. It's already done for you. A complete cone with one bowl of ice cream, sorry. Now to the test your skills section. Fill in the circle. 1. Find the capital letter. The capital letter is the first one, so we will have to fill in the first circle. 2. Find the lowercase letter. The lowercase letter in this case is also the first one, so we'll have to fill in the first circle. 3. Find the ice cream cone. We have two pictures. The one on the left is for an ice cream cone, and the one on the right is for an ice cube. So of course we'll have to fill in the circle on the left. Now to the give the spelling test, say 1. Write a capital I in the box. 2. Write a lowercase I in the box. So here they are. The first box contains a capital I, and the second box contains a lowercase I. Now moving to the last letter in today's lesson, J. J. Jelly. Jelly. See the jellyfish. Now to the big and little sections. Draw a line to make a match. See the capital J. So I'll have to draw an arrow to the first circle. See the lowercase j. In this case we'll have to draw an arrow to the second circle that contains the lowercase j. Now to the I can write section. Trace and write the letters. Here we have capital J. 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 And in this table we have a lowercase j. 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 Now to the find it section. Circle the letters that are the same as the first letter in each row. The first row we have a capital J, so we'll have to circle the second and the fourth letters. The second row contains a lowercase j, so we have to circle the second and the fourth letters. The last row has a lowercase e, so we'll have to circle the second and the third letters. Trace the jellyfish. Color it blue. And of course we had fancy colors. There is a blue, but not all of it. We got purple, orange and that stuff, but of course you have to follow the instruction and it all should be blue, and it should be a light blue. Now to the test your skills section. Fill in the circle. 1. Find the capital letter. The capital letter is the first letter, so we'll have to fill in the first circle. 2. Find the lowercase letter. We'll have to, the lowercase letter is the first letter, so we'll have to fill in the first letter, the first circle. 3. Find the jellyfish. We go to pictures. The one on the left is for a jellyfish, and the one on the right is for we could say that it's like a rope, the hopping rope or whatever. And of course we'll have to circle to fill in the circle on the left. Now give the spelling test. Say 1. Write a capital J in the box. 2. Write a lowercase j in the box. So the first box contains a capital J and the second box contains a lowercase j. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you enjoyed that, and see you soon in the next lessons.